Hi friends, welcome to the Glow Design world. Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a letter logo by using Shield. This is very essential for your design thinking. Please like this video and give your valuable feedback on comment box. If you need any help, let me know. I will try to solve your problem next time. So friends, stay with us if you want to get the latest updates on our platform. So no need to say anything else, let's go to the point. First I will create a shield that I need for my logo design. Take a ellipse tool, and draw an ellipse. Now copy this ellipse by hold Alt and Option key for Mac. Take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Place it perfectly. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and remove the extra part of shield, by hold Alt or Option key for Mac. Now take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Copy this line 12 times, by hold Alt or Option key for Mac. For copy, hold Ctrl or Command for Mac and pressing D, select all lines. Go to Align and click on Vertical Align Center. Right-click and make it group. Now select everything, and align to Horizontal Align Center on Vertical Align Center. Blend the shield with the lines. Select the lines, and copy it. Go to Edit, Copy, again go to Edit, and Paste in place. Now this line rotate 180 degree. Now lower the shield, and blend it with the line. Copy this shield. For copy, go to Edit, Copy, again Edit, and Paste in place. Okay, I think that's perfect. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, choose the fill color is black. Now, drag carefully so that no mistake is made. Okay, that's good. Select all parts of this logo, by hold Shift key, now move it to a side. Select all lines and delete. Now select this logo, and increase the stock. I think 10-point stock is great. Now go to Object, Path, Outline Stock. Go to Pathfinder, and make it unite. Now draw a rectangle according to the artboard, right-click. Go to Arrange and Send to Back. Now select this logo and choose the white color. Now place it perfectly. So friends, I create this logo perfectly. Hey friends, if you need any type of shield logo, please tell me in the comment box.